When we want to divide complex numbers, we need to use the complex conjugate of the denominator. We don't like that our denominator has an imaginary number in it. We don't like this I down there. Okay, standard form, to write this in standard form, that's A plus BI. We're not dividing by I at all here. And so that I in the denominator is messing us up. So what we need to do is say, well, I don't like that my denominator has an I in it. So I'd like to convert the denominator into a real number. To do that, I know that I can convert a complex number into a real number by multiplying by its conjugate. So I'd like to multiply this denominator by its conjugate, 4 plus I. But if I multiply the denominator by something, I have to multiply the numerator by the same thing, otherwise I'm changing it. Okay. Notice that this fraction is 1. So I'm multiplying by 1, which doesn't actually change what the number is. It's just going to change what it looks like. So now I can go through and do that multiplication. I have here 3 times 4, which is 12. 3 times I, which is 3I. 2I times 4, which is 8I. And 2I times I, which is 2I squared. Okay, in the denominator, we have 4 minus I times 4 plus I. Notice that this is, again, we're multiplying conjugates here. And we know that when multiplying conjugates, A plus BI times A minus BI, you can go through and do the work, but the quick trick is that this is equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that here. A is 4, so this is 4 squared, plus B is 1 squared. Okay, and now we can go ahead and simplify. This is 12 minus 2, which is 10. And this is 3i plus 8i, which is 11i. And we're dividing this by, this is 16 plus 1, which is 17. So to write this in standard form, we can just take the 17 and put it with each one. So 10 over 17, and then plus 11 over 17 times I. So this is now in standard form, A plus BI.